world each day, there is somewhere a harvest time, and each day is the harvest of yesterday's planting. From small beginnings sometimes come abundant harvests. From a tiny workshop came the vision that built 1,000,000 miles of highways. From this rude bench and lathe and drill have sprung the tools for 80,000 men. From this small shop has grown a city of work and opportunity, an industrial city covering 1,000 acres, a city drawing visitors from all the world who come to wonder and to learn.
Each year, more than 1 million visitors come to Dearborn, Michigan. They gather here at the Rotunda, a permanent guest house at the gateway to the Rouge. Here, before visiting the plant, are presented the latest tangible shapes into which the Ford idea has been molded. Built of welded steel and safety glass, powered by continuously refined V-type 8 and 12-cylinder engines, streamlined and graceful in appearance, here is presented the latest addition to the Ford and Lincoln line. A new car, a new name, a new value, the Mercury 8. These cars embody all the advanced performance, economy, and safety principles that have been learned by Ford engineers and production experts in more than 35 years of experience, constant research, and scientific pioneering. And so from all over the world and from over all America come visitors by the thousands daily. Some are everyday citizens as you and I. Some are industrialists, scientists, students, business leaders. Some are eminent engineers. Why does this one industrial city attract so many visitors? What have they to learn? What is there here that is unique in the entire automotive industry? What is there here that creates advantages for purchasers when automobile values are appraised and compared? What is there back of these products to explain an exceptional standard of quality for the price? Well, the answers to these questions will be given to you, because the answers are here at the Ford and Lincoln plants. For example,
here the methods. Join here the opportunities to work, to tend, to spin, to weave, to form and transform, so that from within this city of transportation, great value.
A most important item in the building of a quality product of the highest possible value is one that the visitor to the Rouge plant may never see. It's the thought and study, the painstaking research that develops better things and new things to produce greater values at less cost. Here, before today's new products were built, months were spent in developing new alloy steels. Intricate apparatus was designed and erected to detect sounds and vibrations, to record them and locate the cause and source of noise in a traveling car, and learn new ways to overcome it. New materials were developed to aid this accomplishment, sound-deadening materials, so that today's new cars are quiet on the highways, inside and out. Thought and study and the same research efforts are bringing and ensuring continual advances in the precision manufacture of materials and parts, in the development of apparatus that will measure the dimensions of parts in 10,000ths of an inch and judge the smoothness of surface finishes in millionths of an inch, which has brought about the micro-mirror finishing of parts to retard wear and lengthen their span of life. In addition to mechanical and metallurgical research, thought and study in the field of chemistry have for years been devoted to the development of new uses for farm products. Until today, the American farmer helps to build motor cars, just as the motor car manufacturer helps to make farming more efficient and convenient. They help each other, and that helps the country. For example, for every 1,000,000 cars produced, there is an annual purchase of these, together with other purchases from more than 7,000 suppliers, total hundreds of millions of dollars, spreading work and wealth into every state of the Union. And this vast purchasing is an established policy here for a sound economic reason. Industry must buy from others if it is to sell to others. For industry is a process of give and take. It is cooperation among many forces and many interests. And because industry must buy and must create jobs and wages if it hopes to sell, village industries have been fostered and aided in their development, so that in agricultural regions there will be useful work to do when harvests of the fields have been gathered.